Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare the Vanguard versus Fidelity. Okay, so we are going to start with the Vanguard. Now, for the advantages of Vanguard, it is extremely low cost index funds. So the Vanguard is famous for ultra low expense ratios. For example, their total stock market has a low fee and no minimum purchase requirement. And when we say reputation in passive investing, as a pioneer in low cost index mutual funds, the Vanguard remains as a go to choice for long term buy and hold investors. Now, for the disadvantage, we have first the account service fees. So, the Vanguard charges a $20 annual service fee for brokerage or IRA accounts, which can be waived if you hold 10,000 dollars plus in Vanguard funds or use e-statements. And for the transaction, phone trade costs, minimum investment, and platform usability. Now, for the Fidelity, the advantage of Fidelity, it has a zero account fees and no minimums. So no IRA maintenance fees, no account opening minimums, no closure or transfer out fees, zero expense mutual funds. So the Fidelity offers four proprietary index funds with 0% expense ratios and no minimum investment, and it also has commission free trading and robust platform support, fractional shares, and diverse IRA types supported. Now, for the disadvantage, here, managed account fees. So, Fidelity Go costs 0.35% for balances over $25,000. So, other advisory services demand higher assets and fees, and for the transaction fees on non-fidelity funds as well, and for the international crypto wire costs, and for the crypto limitations. Okay, so here for the final thoughts, the Vanguard is ideal if your top priority is low cost passive investing through index funds and you're comfortable navigating a simpler platform. Now, for Fidelity is better if fit for those who value no fee account maintenance, powerful tools, excellent support, and flexibility, especially for smaller or diversified balances. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.